I literally just came out here after eating dinner. And I'm eating ice cream. And this is what I see. Here we go. Alright, so that warning is still in effect, I believe. And it's not even here yet. And this is the outflow. Oh my god, the pollen is blowing all over the place. Let me turn up the radio.
Northern and northeastern Maryland and adjacent coastal waters. For the following areas,
God, I can feel it now. My radio and my camera are about to fall over. God, there's pollen in my eyes. Oh shoot. I didn't know it would be this bad, honestly. Because no, this is not a downburst. This is an outflow. I didn't think we were gonna have an outflow.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chester County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern, central, northern, and
Whoa, I didn't see that coming.